Xiaomi recently announced that it has sold over 200 million Redmi Note series smartphones globally, and now the company has introduced the much anticipated Redmi Note 10 series. Among the three new devices, Redmi Note 10 is the cheapest one. So let's learn more about Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 with its feature, specs and price. Starting with the design, Xiaomi has gone with the Aura design language that it's been using for a couple of years. The new Evolve design language prioritizes a slicker body and a smooth gradient finish at the back. It's not sure whether the rear panel camera with the Gorilla Glass or not, but at the front there is a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The rear mounted fingerprint sensor from the Redmi Note 9 has been shifted to the side mounted fingerprint. Coming to the display, Xiaomi has finally included Super AMOLED display. You are getting a 6.43-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display, but Redmi is limiting the refresh rate at the standard 60Hz, and it has 1100 nits of peak brightness and support different color profile like standard, sunlight and night mode. On the performance side, Xiaomi is going all-in-one Qualcomm in this year's Redmi Note 10 series. Here the entry-level Redmi Note 10 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 based on 11nm processor. It is a slight upgrade over the Snapdragon 675. Thankfully, the phone runs on Android 11 with MIUI 12. Moving on to camera segment, Redmi Note 10 has quad camera setup. It has a 48 megapixel Sony IMX582 primary camera and 8 megapixel of IMX355 of ultra wide angle camera and 22 megapixel of macro and depth sensor. You can shoot up to 4K at 30 fps video from the 48 megapixel primary camera, and you can shoot slow-mo video at 720p 960 fps. To the front, there is a 13 megapixel of selfie camera inside the punch hole cutout. Redmi Note 10 has a big 5000 mAh battery which supports 33 watt fast charging. As usual, you'll get a 33 watt fast charger in the box. Xiaomi claimed that it can fully charge their phone from 0 to 100% in just 74 minutes. And Xiaomi has included 3.5mm headphone jack and IR blaster. Talking about the pricing, Redmi Note 10 price in India at 11,999 for 464 variant, while the 6128 costs rupees 13,999. The phone will go on sale from 16 March in yamiindia.com, and we expect the price of Redmi Note 10 in Nepal starts from rupees 21,000 when it launches later in Nepal. So what is your thoughts on this phone? Please comment down below, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please hit subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Mr. JD07. So I'll see you back in the next video with a new topic. This was Mr. JD signing off.